Well, it's that time of year again, and here at Rotary, we know how hard the holidays can be. So to help you out, we put together a list of the 6 best gift ideas to help tech the halls of your shop. Gift number 1, the lock light.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a lock light in a Christmas tree.
That's right. Nothing says I care about your safety like the lock light. Ain't that right, Rotary Jack?
That's right, Josh.
Just install the lock light on your lift for visual confirmation that the lift is on its locks. Gift number 2, the Spotline laser. This motion-activated laser helps technicians center the vehicle quickly and accurately every time. Everyone needs one of these. Don't worry, they're safe and productive. Gift number 3, Rotary Wheel lifts. Rotary's air-operated mobile wheel lifts help technicians handle heavy wheels safely and easily with just a push of a lever. Gift number 4, Rotary Tech Lights. Whether you have a 2-post, 4-post, or no lift at all, Rotary Tech Lights will give you the amount of light you need, when and where you need it. Plus, it looks like a cool laser sword. Gift number 5, the WillWeen. The WillWeen mounts directly to the arms of your lift, helping technicians handle those heavy wheels while avoiding trips to the hospital. And it's a great way to spruce up your shop. Number 6, my favorite, Rotary Genuine Parts. Remember wanting that hot new toy as a kid, but ending up with a cheap knockoff? Don't settle for inferior products. Get yourself some Rotary Genuine Parts this year. And if you're looking for that perfect stocking stuffer, you can't go wrong with Rotary Apparel. Check us out on Amazon and Facebook to get your hands on all the hot new styles. And for more information on Rotary products, visit us at rotarylift.com. And make sure you subscribe to Rotary's YouTube channel.